morning announcements started when Mr. Howell had a great idea with his third grade students in the classroom doing an activity, and following up some discussion about the green screen, he came up with the idea and said, I think we could do this with morning announcements. So his only request to me at that time was to walk into this TV studio that was loaded with TV equipment, and he said, we gotta get rid of all this equipment, we need a green wall, and I'll take it from there.
Good morning, welcome back to another sparkling day at New Salem Elementary School.
When that summer came, I remember getting a phone call from him saying, okay, you're absolutely certain this is gonna work. And yeah, I said, go ahead, dismantle everything. So
again, I did have reservations initially just because of looking at the TV studios, seeing all the wires, seeing everything that was there, and saying, okay, once this gets torn apart, it's not getting put back together. But I just knew in my heart that, when push came to shove, the announcements would be ready to go, and he came through completely and did a fantastic job with it. I think we're on a great roll just to incorporate a multitude of different ideas and activities, and we'll just continue to develop them as we develop our morning announcements.
During special events, whether it's the Olympics or whether it was Women's History Month or Black History Month, I would go on to YouTube typically. Actually, I had Kathy Bowen and Steph Stein would send me these video clips, and we incorporate them and embed them within our morning announcements as well, just as another way to teach the kids during the morning announcements about these different events. There was one really neat one where Mr. Sherman and I actually commentated one of the snowboarding events, I believe is what it was, with the Winter Olympics, and we had a great time with that. This idea spurned, and it just kept just festering in my head and just kept developing, and I would talk to Red about it, I'd talk to some other people about it, and we get these massive ideas, and so that's really how a lot of these plans behind this just formed. And really it was just taking a risk and trying it out and trusting that that it would work.